In this video, we'll be using the concept of chain rule to get the derivative of exponential tan inverse of x. Alright, so if I'm given that y is equal to exponential tan inverse of x, how do I get the y dx, or how do I differentiate this with respect to x? What do I do? Alright, so I'm given the question there. My question here is that y is equal to exponential tan inverse of x. Right, and I'm asked to find the y over the x here. What do I do? My first concept is this. I would say let u, of course, when it comes to exponential differentiation, your first task is to say let u. So let u be equal to the power of the exponent, which in this case is tan inverse of x. So I have tan inverse of x. All right, your next task now is to find du dx. That means differentiate u with respect to x. So I have that du dx is equal to, in our previous classes we've discussed the concept of inverse trig functions, and we said that if you take the inverse of x, or if you find the derivative of inverse of x, your answer would be 1 all over 1 plus x squared. Right, we said if y is equal to tan inverse of x, and if I differentiate this, your answer will give you 1 all over 1 plus x squared. All right, we discussed this in our previous class. I'll leave a link to inverse trig differentiation in the video description. All right, so check video description, you see a link to this class. All right, let's proceed with this. My next task here is that I'll now say also y will now be equal to, now if you look at this, we already said u should represent all of this, so we called all of this u. It means that y is now equal to exponential u. So we have this. So my next task is that y is equal to exponential u. At this point, I'll differentiate y with respect to u. So from here we'll have that dy all over du is equal to, now we said if y is equal to exponential x, that dy dx, in our previous class, if I differentiate exponential x, I would have exponential x. All right, so if y is equal to exponential x, then dy over dx is equal to exponential x. The same thing happens here. If y is equal to exponential u, then differentiating y with respect to u, we'll have that dy over du is equal to exponential u. All right, so we have this. Now from here we'll now say taking or using chain rule. Using chain rule, our formula for this is simply dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplying du over dx. Alright, so we have this. Our next task will now be to substitute the value of dui du and also du dx. Right, but we have that dy over du from this point here. We have that dy over dx is simply dy du is exponential u. So that means I'll come here. This is now equal to dy du is now exponential u multiplied by du dx from what we have here. Right, so from what we have here, du dx is actually equal to 1 all over 1 plus x squared. So times du dx is 1 all over 1 plus x squared. So we have this. Alright, so let's multiply this now. If we work on this, of course, this goes to the numerator here. Okay, so what that means is that I'll have that dy over dx is equal to exponential u times 1 gives you exponential u all over 1 plus x squared. Let's bring back the value of u, but we said that u is equal to but from this point here, we said that u is equal to tan inverse of x. So let's bring back that value there, but u is equal to tan inverse of x. So let's now replace values. So it means that therefore we can say dy over dx, it's equal to, this is exponential u, that becomes exponential. What's u? U is tan inverse of x. That's exponential u all over, so divided by, what I have here is 1 plus x squared. So it becomes 1 plus x squared. So this becomes the answer to this question, all right? Now, let's look at the exponential differentiation shortcut. Let's say I was given that y is equal to exponential tan inverse of x. I've already discussed the concept of exponential differentiation shortcuts, and I said in the shortcut we'll have that dy all over dx would simply be equal to, the shortcut is this, right? Take out the power, which in this case is tan x, differentiate the power. If I differentiate tan x, I will have 1 all over 1 plus x squared, multiply this by the question. That becomes exponential tan inverse of x. And if I multiply these two, of course, this is equal to 1 times this gives you exponential tan inverse of x all divided by, so all over 1 plus x squared. So you have this. This now becomes the answer to this question. If you can see, we have the same answer on both sides. All right, so what you have here is called the exponential differentiation shortcut. Okay, the shortcut involves taking out the power, which is tan inverse of x, differentiate that, you have 1 all over 1 plus x squared, as you have here, or you have this. Now with that answer, multiply by the question. So I'll simply multiply this by the same question, which is exponential tan inverse of x, and you have the same answer. All right, so this is like the shortcut method of doing this question. All right, so instead of going through the long process, you can just take the shortcut. All right then, don't forget you can visit my website, right, to get my books and courses. Simply visit www.jonaemmanuel.com. all right, there you can check the courses / the book section. Of course, don't forget you have to register an account to the website first before you can proceed to get either the books or the available courses. All right then, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, as usual, please hit the like button. All right, and of course leave a comment, tell us if you enjoyed this video and suggest other topics you'd want us to do. If it's your first time or if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and of course share this video to your friends so that they can also learn. Thank you, and see you in our next class.